Hello, I'm Gutteridge-Paye. I'm the Centre of Excellence Director at Namos Solutions. Welcome to this video bite-size number 3 in the series of how to get the best out of Oracle Success Navigator now that you have access. So we've had 2 bite-size up until this point where we've talked about getting access and provisioning your account, how to add people in my team, and also how to complete the recommended actions when you get access. This bite-sized video is all around Innovate. This is where most of Oracle customers are. So they're live, they're living in cloud. So the first thing that you'll need to do when you log in is to update your production profile. Your production profile is where you will tell or inform the system of the products that you're managing, whether that be ones that you've implemented, implementing, or are not using. So to begin with, this is a manual process. In the future, this will be driven by artificial intelligence. So AI will be looking and providing you with this information. But at the moment, you'd come in here and manage your production profile. In here, you can click on the pencil at the top and you can click which areas, which pillars, which product families, and which products you're implemented. So which ones are you actively using? And then products being implemented. So which ones are you implementing at the moment? Once you've completed this and you click View More, this will give you a current capabilities by pillar. So it will show you on one page a strategic view of what you have implemented, not in use, and implementing. This is useful for your strategic direction and roadmap. If you have a partner such as Namos, we will work with you to look at this through quarterly business reviews and service meetings to help you get the best out of Oracle. Not only does that tell the system what you're using and what you're not using, but it will also then allow Oracle to provide personalized recommendations to you later in the areas of the system that I will show you. So once your production profile is set up, the next area which I'm very excited about is the latest features. So for end users, latest features covers the quarterly releases that happen 4 times a year from Oracle, where new features, enhancements, and innovation is released into the Oracle product. So from here, you'll see the sunburst. It could be quite small depending on what kind of screen you're looking at, but you can expand it to make it slightly bigger. So here you'll see the pillars. So if we were to have a look at HCM, we can then see the modules. If we then to have a look at human resources, we can see that in total there are 342 quarter releases loaded into Success Navigator. Oracle have preloaded back to 24A all of the release notes and releases into Success Navigator to help us to see what we have and haven't switched on, and also all of the good artifacts that go with that. So you can see here that 25B is on the horizon, so it's already loaded ready. So if we have a look at 25B, to help you further, Oracle have then split out the releases for 25B for human resources to those that are mandatory. So these will be released as enabled by default, so already switched on, but information that you may need to have a look at. Ones that will enhance for efficiency and ones that will enhance for innovation. So let's have a look at the mandatory 33 in 25B. So from here, you'll be able to see which product it is. So we've chosen HR, the feature, which if you click will open a side drawer to give you the details of what is coming in that release, tips and considerations, and also key resources. From here, if there is a video available, you'll be able to watch a video from Oracle University. These are embedded in the screen, and you can watch a short bite-sized video to help you understand the feature. To collaborate with other people in your organization, you can share this release by clicking on here and adding email. You can add multiple emails, as you can see from the hover text, by providing a comma-separated list of email addresses. This will allow you to share this release notes with anybody across the business that needs to help you. And then to manage these, you can add them to your roadmap. So within Oracle Success Navigator, and I'll add a couple, there is a Kanban where you can manage what you're doing now, what you are planning to do later, and what you're planning to do next. So this is the way that you can look at the features. Another way that you can look at the features is by using the featured adoption centres, which are thematic areas which will link everything around Redwood, which is currently topical, and AI, which is very topical. So in Redwood, for example, you'll see areas where it'll tell you the timeline, the plan, enable and extend. But also down the bottom, we can have a look at by module. So for time and labour, for example, looking back over all of the releases to 24A, what are the releases that impacted time and labour for Redwood? And again, from here, you can add them, you can share them, watch a video, or add it to your roadmap. So 2 places to add to the roadmap, one from the adoption center and one from the features sunburst on the front screen. To help you manage that innovation and the Innovate section, you've now got your Fusion roadmap. So on here down the right are all the areas that I added that I wanted to add, but now I can add them into my Kanban by drag and drop to say, when am I looking to do these? This will help you manage your strategy of deployment and to keep on track as the quarter releases start to come and you're managing your business as usual. From here, if you click on the list, it will open the drawer that you could get to from the features list, so you don't need to keep going backwards and forwards between screen. And from the little dots in the top right-hand corner, you can edit and say whether you've completed it, in progress or deferred. So that will then change the tag so that I can see it here. As this will get busy, as more quarter releases and more modules are added into this screen, you can export it out to manage it elsewhere. This could also provide you with an export to load into a DevOps or another system if that's the way that you work within your organization. If you want to remove anything, you can just delete it from the roadmap. So from here in Innovate, you can update your production profile. You can check the latest releases and add them to your roadmap, looking and sharing the information across your organization and collaborating, and also watching videos from Oracle University. You can access the adoption centers and have a look what's coming and how to plan for those, and also have a look at the features that are for AI and Redwood in this example, and then add those to your roadmap based on many releases that are aligned to that adoption thematic area. And then you have your roadmaps where you can come and manage your now, next and later options to manage your quarter releases and to have a strategic view of what needs to happen when moving forward, which is your continuous improvement in Oracle Cloud. Also for innovation, you've got your upcoming events. This is where Oracle will be pushing out events that you can come and register for. Just another area in a one-stop shop where you can access everything that you need. That's it for this week. I really hope that you enjoy having a look around Innovate. The 25B releases are in latest features, so please have a look and use your Kanban and your roadmap. On the next Bite Size, we'll have a look at Oracle Modern Best Practice, the journey that's available in Oracle Success Navigator to help you implement. That could be that you're starting your journey with Oracle Cloud from the very beginning, or it could be that you're live in cloud, but you'd like a journey to help you bring on a new module or a new piece of functionality. So I look forward to seeing you on the next Bite Size in about a week's time. Thanks for joining me.